How to log in Finance of America mortgage account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log in Finance of America mortgage account, you can go ahead and type in the credential portal.financeofamerica.com and you'll be redirected to the login field of Finance of America. So over here, to sign in, all it takes is the email address and password that is linked to your Finance of America and click on the sign in button. If you are using your personal device, you can click on Keep Me Signed In so that you can never go with the hassle of entering your credential each time to log in. Now over here, if you have forgotten any of the password, click on Forgot Password option. In that case, you can select if you want to enter your email address or phone number, in which you will get a code which will help you to recover your Finance of America mortgage account. Before you get the code, to verify your identity, you also have to confirm your email in this field. So by this way, you'll be able to recover your account and log in into your Finance of America. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.